sorry, excuse smoking. First thing in the morning. Gotta do what you gotta do, innit? Anyway, yeah. So it's been a bit of a while since I've done a video last, and loads of things going on. Let's get out of that. Right, that's better. But yeah, done a few bits. I'll turn the camera around and we'll show you. So, about a mess, you have to excuse that. I was flat out the other day trying to get this finished, but we got the first fix electrics in. There's all the down lights in. The cables coming out down to a switch panel. It's going to be down there, but you can really see them. Yeah, all the Celotex in the sides, all the Celotex in the ceiling, spray foamed. Yeah, so I've pushed on a little bit. Next job today is to clear all this crap up, tidy up, get the floor up. If you want to go and stash the big flooring sheets, it comes in it with standard, you bolt down and stash them over my mate's house and get the floor prepped, any rust sorted out, painted, and then yeah, I want to get the floor battened out and insulated and down so I can then finish off the insulation in the walls, vapour barrier everything, and I can start cladding it all. Right, van's emptied. Stashed round mate's house. Now off to B&Q. Well, Jesus Christ. Won't be getting it in B&Q, that's for sure. £43, 10 lengths, 25mm roofing batten. Oh, just didn't run something over the lines, it felt a bit squishy. Nice camper there, don't want to crash into that. Yeah, so off to run up Otford to Builders Merchants, just round the corner. £27. Bargain, we'll have some of that. £43. Don't know how to make any money with those old Sunday people going there and not knowing any better, isn't it? So yeah. Or shall we go? No, screw fix, I think. Yeah. Screw fix, electrical suppliers, and Otfords. Then I better go home, get changed, go and pick my little girl up. Right. I'll catch you a bit. Right, sorted. Go and pick the roofing battens up. Find them. Alright, let's start the stuff. One, two, three, four, five, pack of 10. Oh, I've got my wheat bits this morning. That was heavy. Right, all back in the van. Struggled to get that big old git in there. I had to cut a bit off the end of them buttons, but there you go, they're in there. Ready to rock and roll. A bit gutted, but I don't think I'm going to be able to, sorry about that sun now. Don't think I'm going to be able to get any done today. So I think I'm gonna have to go and get changed, scrub up, get ready for her to come over and have some fun. So yeah, I'm probably gonna leave this video, or it's part of the video, for the minute. And get back to you, yeah, in the next part of it when I'm